We've spent the weekend with you, and we were hoping to get a few words from you about your thoughts about Eric, any special words you might have to say with him on this occasion
Yeah,
of his bar
he's.
mitzvah.
Are we on? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm still on cloud nine because I had such a wonderful time, and both of you are so lovely. I enjoyed meeting both of you. And as for my grandson Eric, he's adorable, and he studied very hard, and he's just a wonderful kid, and we've had a lot of fun with him because he's very talented. And as he said, they come to our house Thanksgiving, they put on shows, I give them costumes, and we have such a ball. Somebody writes the scripts, and it's just a joy to be with them. And I love the family. I'm very blessed with my daughter-in-law and the family that I have. And I just don't take anything for granted. I'm constantly thanking God for all the good that I have. And it should only continue. Okay?
Okay.